So, alright, I thought maybe, yeah, children and family services would see that this is what parenting's all about, you know. See this man with the best record I've ever seen. Hey, I'll go overwhelm these people with kindness, you know. But I realize now that God has called me to set not just people straight, but it's the children and family services. I got whistleblowers coming to me telling me, hey, you know, this is prostitution. These girls who are coming to us, which is like 97% of them, according to statistics, are female, coming to get money from the government because they're, you know, incapable of financially providing for themselves because they've pushed the other parent out of the way in most cases. And here's the thing, they're telling me, their own people are telling me. And as a client of children and family services, I have children. First wife went there and he got cash, and I guess they call it health care, which that's just, you know, I'm sure she had a C-section, but second, and I kind of, they like the whole idea that they're being chased around. They like the whole idea of them being stalked. That's a big thing, you know, not as common anymore as it was in the 1990s. You know, they love me so much that they're stalking me. And it's not funny, but yeah, they're telling me that, you know, these are girls that can't make it as a hooker, prostitute in their community, wherever they go. So they use a child and manipulate the child to go collect cash that they're ultimately going to use for drugs anyway. Who better to attack regarding drugs than me? It's been in my family. Sure, go ahead and accuse me of it because, yeah, you're not going to be having hearings, just run and hide all the time. So that's what they're doing now. They're running and hiding. And I'm prospering. That's the thing. I've seen a lot of guys and myself as well. I was trying to work with them, trying to convince them that I'm the father of our children. They don't care. Yeah, the issue's got to be set straight at government level. As much as we can blame the deadbeat, I love calling myself a deadbeat dad, and pedophile too. That's fun. Child abuser, it's beautiful. And what's the other one? You know, rapist, that's fun. Drug addict, junkie. Yeah, that's a good one. Let's do that. Let's call me the junkie. Of course, you couldn't take any tests. Oh, evidence. I'm proud of this, and it's coming to the point where I gotta, you know, just like the whole MS thing when it popped up in 2015. I wanted this back. I didn't. The reality is, I still had some issues in my body. I could feel it, you know. Hello, ladies. Poppy? Isn't that like father? Nice legs. I'm really happy. I guess part of the reason why I'm making this video now is because your communications probably better with the state government people, and I'm feeling better than ever regarding my children and their safety being with me in their safe place. I've always been my children's safe place. One of the things I gotta make sure though is that, you know, you don't go run to the people, don't go run to the government, making up bullshit lies, and trying to collect cash for their drugs. No drogas. You wonder why, you know, people are on needles the way that they are now. You wonder why people are on government aid, welfare, and you've got me. It's getting more and more public record that just exorbitant and abundant cash money that I have. You taxpayers in the United States of America, and this is the territory, they're not paying different, but it's still paying. Anyway, they don't get the votes here in Puerto Rico. So here's the thing: you're paying us money, and you got the man here. You got to chase down these people, the father or the mother who's running, running, and get them to be involved with that. This country is the worst in the world. They're gonna step it up with regard to children. You gotta give children rights, and we're gonna give them rights. Fathers, mothers. That's another thing too. But I'm really excited. I see the good changes happening. You get to a point now whereby you just, compelled for the health of people to step it up. Mentally, emotionally. Oh, what's another good one too? I'm mentally messed up in the head. Why not just go ahead and throw some different memes on it? It's my spot, y'all. I love it. Wouldn't that be rape? Hello? A man or woman, or person who's mentally messed up, you're having sex with that person? Isn't that rape? 100% of the cases it is. I'm not playing that whole victim role though. We could all play that victim game. That's what America has been. I get it now. They're not free. Land of the free, please. Land of the free. Why people come into this country is because they want to do drugs. It's more readily available here. Cheaper. Probably not cheaper, but it's more readily available than anywhere in the world. And of course, the slaughter of defenseless, innocent children. The economy's always been horrible. But they've been lying, defrauding people about just today is a great example of that. I saw gold dropping hard today, of course. And the Dow Jones Industrial Average is also going down. Why? Because the dollar has risen in value. The Federal Reserve System realizes that they got to keep that dollar to look like it's worth something, But hey, I'm heavily invested in the dollar and gold and more real estate, obviously. Equities, stocks, exchange traded notes. I gotta go jump in the water now, but I'm really excited about it. I'm very happy about this. It's gonna be very good for children. Their best interests to be with mommy and daddy all the time. Security, that's a good one.